we'll guide you through how to change speed in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project, or open an existing one. Once your project is open, go to the timeline and select the video clip you want to adjust. Now, look at the toolbar right above the timeline. You should see an option labeled Speed. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a couple of choices: Custom and Curve. For a straightforward speed change, click on Custom. Here, you can use the slider to adjust the speed of your video. Dragging the slider to the right will speed up your video, while moving it to the left will slow it down. The speed percentage will be displayed, so you can set it exactly to your preference. If you want more advanced speed adjustments, go back and select Curve. This will allow you to create a speed ramp effect, where the speed changes gradually. You can choose from presets or customize the curve to your liking by adding points and adjusting them to create smooth transitions. Once you're happy with the speed adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. Make sure to preview your video to see how it looks with the new speed settings. If something doesn't seem right, you can always go back and tweak the speed settings until it fits your vision. When you're satisfied, go ahead and export your project to save your changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.